Hi everyone, this is Celebrity Chef Mark with Appliance Factory in Mattress Kingdom. Thanks for having me back. I'm going to show you how to carve this turkey. If you missed it, I cooked it with the breasts down and the thighs up so that it would cook very evenly. And now I'm ready to carve it. It's been resting for about 45 minutes. Let me show you how to cut this. What I like to do is remove the thighs. So I'm going to cut down to the joint. I'm just going to give that a little twist. And then the joint will pop out and I can go ahead and pull out the leg. Now, for the breasts. Here's the breastbone right in the middle. I like to start on the left side. I'm going to bring my knife down, and then I'm just going to crack open the breast here, the breast meat. I'm going to pull that off all in one piece. No matter how beautifully you cook your turkey, if you carve it with the grain, it will be dry. So if you're carving your turkey on the bone in this direction, you're carving it with the grain. I like to start with the dark meat first. I like to separate the drumstick from the thigh. Use my drumsticks. That's the backer. I'm going to pull the dark meat just using my hands. Now I'm ready to cut the breasts. When I cut the breasts, I'm going to carve it this way against the grain. And I like to carve it relatively thin. And I try to keep the skin on there as well. And I definitely like to keep it in order. And I'm going to transfer this over, and I just use my knife as a spatula. I'm just going to set that right, like so. Here we are. We are ready for Thanksgiving. Thanks for tuning in. This is Chef Mark with Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. Make sure you join me on Facebook and YouTube at Appliance Factory and Mattress Kingdom. Happy Thanksgiving, and thanks for joining us.